Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Simon.
Very good. Simon, tell me, how do you spell your name?
S-I-N-O-N.
Very good, Simon. Tell me, please, how old are you?
I'm 5.
5 years old. And where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
That's good. How are you today? Are you happy, sad?
Happy.
That's good. Give me a high five. Okay, tell me, please, who are the people in the picture? Who is this? This?
This is my family.
Family. Very nice. Tell me, do you love your family? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes, very nice. Okay, and who is this?
This is my daddy.
Your daddy. Good. Tell me, how is your daddy feeling?
This is
My
daddy is sad.
Your daddy is sad. Good. Simon, can you show me where is your mommy? This is your mommy, yes? And how is she feeling?
My mommy
Is
thirsty.
Very good. Good job, Simon. Tell me, please. Who is this?
This is my sister.
Your sister. Okay. And how is she feeling?
My sister is hot.
Is hot. Good. Okay. You have a sister. And who is this?
This is my baby sister.
Baby sister. How is your baby sister feeling? My
baby sister is sleepy.
Very good. Okay, Simon. And who is this?
It's me.
You. Okay, how are you feeling?
Me.
Hungry.
Hungry.
That's very good. Thank you very much, Simon. High five. Goodbye.
Bye, teacher.